Hello everyone， 我是JIC 的中文经理 Bella。我知道呢，现在我们国家每个人呢都在为新型冠状病毒做努力和斗争。在这里呢，JIC 想要分享一些不同的老师和学生对中国的支持。中国加油，武汉加油！
You're broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out.
Concerns are growing within and around China over this new strain of coronavirus.
The health ministry has confirmed 2 more cases, bringing the total number to 77.
427 people have died from the virus.
Mountains, and I'll rise like the day. I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. And I'll rise up, I like the waves. I'll rise up, in spite of the ache. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again.
Japan now has the highest number of confirmed cases outside of China.
A 39-year-old man has become the first person to die from the novel coronavirus in Hong Kong.
More than 20,000 cases confirmed in no fewer than 26 countries.
And I'll rise up, I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. All we need is hope, and for that we have each other, and for that we have
Happy to share that 5 more patients have fully recovered from COVID-19 infection.
Not restrict travel or trade at all. They say there's no public health reason to do that.
The ministry also announced that 5 more patients have been discharged from hospital. In total, 24 have fully recovered.
And 5 more cases have been discharged today as well.
I'll rise up, rise like the day. I'll rise up, in spite of the ache. I will rise 1,000 times again, and we'll rise up. I like the waves. We'll rise up, in spite of the ache. We'll rise up, and we'll do it 1,000 times again. You.
我们希望这支小小的影片能够带给大家希望，每个人都能够平平安安、健健康康，所有的患者呢都能够早日康复。中国加油 ，fighting！